Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So we have a superb deal here for some free lime away at various stores. So this is just a superb deal. Yesterday, close to midnight, I got a message from a subscriber by the name of Lovely Savings over on Instagram, and she's like, hey, check this out. So there is a dollar rebate for these limeaways on Ibotta, and you can do it up to 5 times. I'm going to show you the specific breakdowns, and it basically makes these toilet bowl cleaners completely for free. If you have really hard water or like really bad rust, this stuff can make your toilet look brand new. So if you've ever suffered from that, and our house used to have really hard well water, so it used to look like really not so great, and then this stuff would make it look like brilliant. So looking at the Ibotta rebate, guys, here it is. It's $1 on any variety, any size, and the limit for that is 5, maybe redeemed up to 5 times per receipt. So if you've been couponing for a very long time, you know that limeaway often has either $1.50 off a 2 or a 75 off a 1. Currently, there is no coupon for that because all these cleaning products, they've pulled back from making, the manufacturers are just not releasing coupons because they're making bank right now. So why would they have extra savings? But often these items can be found specifically for $1 at either the Dollar General Dollar Spot or Dollar Tree. So those two stores, you'll find them for $1 on the nose. The other stores here on this bingo list, I'm not really sure, but I did go check my local Dollar General and Dollar Tree this morning, and here's something interesting. Either this stuff is flying off the shelf because it kills that horrible virus in the face, or they just don't carry it here anymore, and I live very rurally, so I mean it could be one of two things. But if you live in a bigger city, I know a lot of people on Instagram specifically are scoring this like left, right, and center, because I did post this around midnight on my Instagram, and a lot of you were like this morning saying, oh my gosh, I got it. So anyhow, let's head over to the Dollar Tree, grabbing one of these, and you'll find it in the back of the store or wherever they have the toilet bowl cleaner. You'll pay $1 and get back $1 rebate from Ibotta, making it free. The limit for that is up to 5, so you can grab 5 in one transaction, and that's cool. Now, if you wanted to do this at both Dollar Tree and Dollar General, you're going to have to pick one of 2 stores, because how it works, guys, with Ibotta is that you can only do the rebate at one specific store, and then it'll vanish out of your rebate gallery, and then in 24 hours it usually resets. But I have a theory. Do you remember the Scotties deal last month or earlier in the month, where we were getting like boxes of Kleenex for 25 cents after the Ibotta rebate? That lasted for about 48 hours, and then it was cleared. So because this is free toilet bowl cleaner on the line, I think this is going to get cleared very, very quickly. And like, how very generous of limeaway to do that. If you guys know in the comments another store where this is exactly $1, because I didn't travel to every single store to check the inventory, because after I couldn't find it at both Dollar Tree and Dollar General, I just threw in the towel and said that's it for me today, because most of us couponers have a lot of toilet bowl cleaner in our stockpile. Going over to the Dollar General, and shout out to a young lady, she mentioned this to me yesterday. She's like, hey, they also sell this in the Dollar Spot at the Dollar General, and it is Keto Farm Girl Deals over on Instagram. She mentioned this to me, and she was spot on. Typically, they always have this too in the Dollar Spot, but unfortunately, my store, it was either cleared or they don't have it. Again, you would pick one of these up for exactly $1, found in the Dollar Spot at your Dollar General. If you're not sure where that is, ask the employees, but they usually have a section for food and a section for cleaner where everything is $1. Pay that $1, get back $1 from Ibotta, and it makes it free. And the limit for that over at the Dollar General is up to 5. So how fantastic is that? Again, I live super rural, so I could not track down a single one of these. But I know that like before, when I used to do that 75 cent or the $1.50 off a 2, I used to try to get these back in the day, at least at the Dollar General. And now I can't find it anywhere. But so I don't know if it's just out of stock, because a lot of cleaners are out of stock, or it's just like they don't carry it around here anymore, which might be a possibility. So just be a little cautious if you can't find it in the store. I mean, that was my experience this morning, but maybe it'll stay in your Ibotta gallery a lot longer, and when they restock, you might be able to find it. I know that specifically also at Dollar General, I was almost floored when I saw this in the same section where they have the toilet cleaner and all that great stuff. They had an abundance of these disinfectant sprays for $2, which is a really great price point. And they didn't have a limit on it. I didn't buy any because I'm all stocked up on this, but I was really shocked to see that. And then over at Dollar Tree, sorry guys, I didn't take a photo because there was a lot of people in the store. They had a lot of hand sanitizer too, which I have not seen since February. So a lot of stores are starting to restock on this sort of stuff. So I know a lot of you do Ibotta deals and that sort of stuff. So you might want to throw the lime away on your list and try and make something happen, because free toilet bowl cleaner is the best toilet bowl cleaner. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Good luck out there. And if you could leave it in the comments if you know of another store where this is selling for $1, I would be forever grateful. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.